Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the beautiful world of Indonesian weddings. Indonesia, with all its amazing cultures and landscapes, has some truly special wedding traditions. We're going to focus on two of the most well-known and stunning ones, Sundanese and Javanese weddings. These celebrations are unique in their customs, but they both share the same beautiful idea celebrating love, family, and togetherness. So, let's explore what makes these weddings so special. Let's start with Sundanese weddings. The Sundanese people, who mostly live in West Java, are known for being super welcoming and having a vibrant culture, and their weddings really show that. Their ceremonies are full of traditions, and each step has a deep meaning behind it. One of the most important rituals is called. This is when the groom and his family are officially welcomed into the bride's home. It's a super happy event with lots of music, dancing, and warm greetings. Then comes where the groom's family gives gifts to the bride's family. These gifts are usually practical things and yummy traditional snacks, and they show that the groom is ready to take care of his bride. The heart of the Sundanese wedding is which is the official and religious marriage ceremony. This is a very special moment where the couple says their vows in front of their families and a religious leader. After the ceremony, things get a bit more fun with the guests shower the couple with rice, coins, and flower petals, wishing them wealth, lots of children, and a happy life together. Two other important rituals are the groom steps on an egg, which means he's ready to be a dad and take on those responsibilities. Then the bride washes his feet, showing that she'll always support and care for him. Is a really sweet ritual where the couple takes turns feeding each other. This shows that they promise to take care of each other throughout their marriage. Now let's move on to Javanese weddings. These weddings, which come from Central and East Java, are famous for being grand and having lots of intricate details. Javanese weddings are deeply connected to ancient beliefs and philosophies, and each ritual is like a step towards spiritual and family harmony. The ceremony is a super important moment in a Javanese wedding. It's not just about two people getting married, but also about two families coming together. The bride and groom, dressed in beautiful traditional clothes, see each other for the first time during this ceremony, and their eyes meet in a special way, like a silent exchange of promises. You can feel the excitement in the air as they start this sacred union. After, it's time for, just like in Sundanese weddings, the groom steps on an egg, showing he's ready to be a father. The bride washes his feet, which represents her dedication to supporting him as a dad. This ritual emphasizes how important balance and teamwork are in Javanese culture. The is another visually stunning and deeply symbolic ritual. The couple is wrapped together in a large, beautifully woven cloth, showing that their lives are now joined and they'll face everything together. This ritual highlights how connected the couple is and how strong they are together. The is a ritual you'll only see in Javanese weddings. It shows how important prosperity and sharing responsibilities are in a marriage. The groom pours rice and coins into the bride's lap, symbolizing his promise to provide for their family. The bride accepting these offerings shows that she'll manage their resources well. Finally, there's the ceremony. The couple feeds each other yellow rice, representing their promise to always care for each other and build a happy life together. So, we've seen how unique Sundanese and Javanese weddings are, but they also have some beautiful things in common. Both traditions really value family, respecting elders, and the importance of marriage. Both cultures believe it's really important to get blessings from parents and older family members. This special tradition is called in Javanese and in Sundanese. It's a touching reminder that the couple deeply respects their families and is grateful for all the love and support they've received. Another shared value is how important community is. Both Sundanese and Javanese weddings are big community events. Friends and family come from all over to celebrate, which strengthens their bonds and shows how important it is to support each other. What's amazing is that the differences between Sundanese and Javanese weddings actually make Indonesian culture even richer and more beautiful. Sundanese ceremonies, with their focus on warmth and hospitality, give us a peek into a culture that values community and togetherness. Javanese traditions, rooted in ancient philosophy, show a deep respect for tradition and a spiritual way of life. By learning about and appreciating these differences, we can really understand and appreciate the amazing cultural diversity that makes our world so interesting. These traditions, passed down through generations, aren't just rituals, they're living examples of cultural identity and heritage. So, as we've seen, Sundanese and Javanese weddings, each with its own beauty and meaning, give us a glimpse into the amazing cultural heritage of Indonesia. They remind us that love, even though it's a universal feeling, is celebrated in so many different ways, each one reflecting the values and traditions of a specific culture. These beautiful ceremonies remind us that traditions connect us to our past, make our present more meaningful, and inspire our future.